Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. I appreciate all of you so much. Today we're going to be doing a resin project. We're going to be adding a second layer to a piece I made previously, and I will link that video down in the description. We're mostly going to be using Resin products today. I have Resin Supernova Purple. This is so pretty. It's so sparkly. The Purple Diamond, Angel White, and I'm going to be using Artisan Cobalt. All these colors are beautiful. Be using Promarine resin today. It's a 1:1 ratio, so I made 8 ounces. So I did 4 ounces of part B, 4 ounces of part A, mixed it up for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add a clear layer just to make the resin, flow a little bit more nicely, because I'm not adding, ton of colors. I want to keep some of the background on here. So I'm going to just do a little bit of clear. And this is the Supernova. I was trying to show how sparkly this is. It is gorgeous. And the purple diamond, oh my gosh, look at that. It is just amazing. It's so pretty. And this is the Artisan Cobalt. It's a super pretty deep blue, gorgeous. I just got these products last weekend and I couldn't wait to try them. So I just heated up my clear a little bit and I'm going to spread it out with my hands. And then I'm going to go, right now I'm going in with the Cobalt. And I was just following the line of what was already there. I wasn't trying to cover everything up, like I said before. I was just trying to add a little bit of something to it. I felt like it wasn't quite finished. And then this is the Purple Diamond. I'm just going above that Cobalt there and adding a line of that. And now I'm going to go in with the Supernova and basically fill in the entire background. This is so pretty. I can't even tell you guys. You'll see in the video how at the end when the piece turned out, it was just so sparkly. I can't even tell you. It's gorgeous. And they have this in like purple, blue, and green, which I definitely want to get. And now I'm just going in and popping any bubbles, heating up my resin with my heat gun. And I'm not trying to move these two colors around very much. I was just trying to blend them a little bit, and that was it. Now I'm going to go in with the Angel White. And this stuff, you guys, this is the best white I've ever used for lacing and cells. It is so easy to use, and you'll get cells just instantly, basically. And I just wanted to do a line at the top and a line at the bottom. And now I'm going to heat those up and move it around with my heat gun. Just kind of pushing all the resin up and then down just to blend it all out. You can see up here in the corner, it already starts to do its thing and lace and sell up so pretty. It's just awesome. This would be really good for beach if you're trying to make waves. It's so pretty. I'm not going to use any other white anymore. This is my favorite. So now I'm just pretty much done heating everything up, and I'm going to tilt my canvas around. I was just moving it around. I like to pick it up and tilt it a little bit after I'm done pouring. And I was just having my resin move to the edge of the canvas, but not quite tip over. I did tip it over the edge on this point just because I wanted to get some of that white off of there, but then that was about it. And now I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Look at the white. It is so pretty. And the sparkle, that is from the Supernova and the Purple Diamond. So sparkly. And those cells and lacing, oh my gosh. If you guys are looking for something to do, cells and lacing, you got to get the Angel White. It's fantastic. And you can see that sparkle the Supernova and the Purple Diamond added. These would be great for a galaxy. So now it's about 22 hours later, and this is just in natural light. There's no sun out today. It's kind of a cloudy, dreary day, and it's just super pretty. I love this piece. I might just keep this one. It's so sparkly. I will show you a clip of what it looks like with my flash on my phone, and then you'll get an idea of what it would look like in natural sunlight if the sun were to hit it. But you can still see the sparkle, even though it's a cloudy day, how it's kind of overcast and dark. You can still see it sparkling. Thank you so much to Suzana Dancks and Laura on Laura's Art Corner on Facebook. She carries these products so we can get them here in the US, and Suzana is the creator. I will link their channels below in the description too. And this is what it's looking like with the flash on. You can see that sparkle. It's so super, super, super pretty. Very, very sparkly. Love, love, love this piece. The little Res Angel White is just so fantastic. This was my first time ever using it, and it turned out great. So it's very easy to use. You guys should definitely, definitely try it. I'm definitely going to be buying some more. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. I hope you guys are having a great day and happy Friday. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye.